Before starting the wiring, the camera needs to be set up. Please set the camera's USB connection mode to photo import or remote control. Next, plug the Type-C control cable into the Type-C port on the left side of the camera body. Then, connect the other end with the Mini 10-pin connector to the remote port at the bottom of the monitor. Now, proceed with the connection settings on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, then tap Camera, select USB. When the camera control panel appears on the monitor, it means the connection is successful. Tap Rec, starts or stops video recording on the camera. Tap Iris, adjusts the aperture value. Tap Shutter, adjusts the shutter speed. Tap ISO, adjusts the ISO sensitivity. Tap Focus. In AF mode, you can perform touch focus directly on the monitor. In MF mode, use the buttons on the control panel to adjust focus. Tap WB, selects or changes the white balance mode. When white balance is set to K, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to auto or the camera is in automatic modes, tap EV to adjust the exposure compensation value.